Hey guys, it's Safe Boating Week. Come with me, I'm gonna drop in the boat and I'm gonna show you a few things that new boat owners should know. One thing that new boat owners skip that they absolutely should not. I would say the boat ramp can actually be one of the most intimidating / dangerous places. A lot of accidents happen at the boat ramp. And so having a plan before you get to the ramp, what you're gonna do, how you're gonna unstrap your boat, how you're gonna launch your boat is probably one of the most important things that you can do. How you're gonna launch your boat, is there a dock there? Like just being aware of the stuff that goes down at the ramp. A lot of accidents happen there. So I'd say that's one thing that people skip over. Number one mistake I see at the ramp is trying to prepare your boat in the actual ramp. Pick a parking space out, pull to the side, let traffic get through, and then get all your stuff ready, out of everybody else's way. So number one thing that I check on my boat before I go out is gas. Because there's nothing worse than pulling up to the ramp, turning the key, you did all this preparation, you realize you don't have gas. I would say that's probably number one. Since I'm an angler number two, you didn't ask me for more than one, but I'm gonna give you like three, is charging your batteries. That's also very disappointing. I've got to the boat ramp and realized didn't have my cranking battery charged. Go to turn the key and get that dreaded click. I hate that. And then trolling batteries. You get all the way to the lake. I'm a fisherman. I want to be able to fish. Your trolling batteries aren't charged. You can't fish for the day. So I would say at least those two things. And a third one probably would be, I can get in a rush in a hurry sometimes. If I'm hungry, I can't concentrate and fish. So that's really important to me. That might not be important to a lot of people, but having something to drink and eat, very important for me. Plug, you know what? We're in this era now where we've got like remote plugs, so it's not as big of a deal as it used to be, but definitely make sure you put the plug in before you launch the boat. So when you get to the ramp, first thing I start doing is make sure you unstrap your boat. There's nothing more embarrassing than get to the ramp, put her in reverse, and it ain't coming off the trailer. So make sure you do that. Definitely gonna make sure that plug is in. We're all nice and snug, our plug's already in. I always take mine out after I use my boat, so I don't like water sitting in there, mildewing, etc. It's always a good idea. You know, you don't wanna have your engine trimmed all the way down. Obviously we hit a bump or we're backing down and you back over your skeg. Not only will you tear your lower unit up, but you could ruin your transom too. So I like to just make sure I got my engine trimmed up to where I know it's not gonna hit the ground as I'm backing down. We'll do that. I do like to keep the front strap connected until I get the boat down to the water, because I have seen boats slide off the trailer when you're backing down the water. So I'll keep that one strapped. When we get down to the water, unstrap the front, get in, take off. I usually stop right about there. Then I'll unhook the front. Make sure you got a life jacket for everybody in the boat. We're gonna have a party full this time, so I've got 4. So some honest advice about someone who's bought their first boat, just getting out there, slow down. The whole launching process, give yourself time. When you get out here on the water, you're gonna have the tendency to wanna go full bore when you get out there. Slow down. Depending on what kind of lake you go to, it could be a lot of hazards out there. That can cause a lot of problems. You don't wanna be stranded out there. There's a lot of other boaters. If you're going out in the warmer parts of the year, there's gonna be wakeboarders, jet skis. There's a lot going on. You gotta look out for everybody else when you're out there on the water. So if you're a new boat owner, don't freak out. Boating is a lot of fun, but when you get in a hurry, it can be overwhelming. Just take your time, be patient with yourself, because there is a lot to learn, from towing to backing the boat down the trailer to making sure you have everything you need and washing it up for everybody else on the water. Be patient with yourself, slow down, you're gonna enjoy your time. Be safe out there when you're boating.